Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to turn on or turn off nightstand mode on Apple Watch Series 9. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first one to do is go ahead and press the digital crown once to exit the watch face, then locate and click on the settings icon. Once selected settings, scroll down and then click on general. Once you selected general, scroll down, locate and click on nightstand mode. Now once you click on nightstand mode, then here you can turn on nightstand mode or turn it off. To turn it off, just toggle this off, and now to turn it on, just toggle this on. So that's exactly how to turn on or turn off nightstand mode on Apple Watch Series 9. Mark you can use Apple Watch as a nightstand clock while it is charging. So for this to work, you need to make sure your Apple Watch is charging and it's going to stand as your nightstand watch. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.